brisket. I got my BBQ shoes on. Gonna smoke me a fat brisket. I got my
Pit Boy Harvey here.
We got him, man.
A lot of people ask him about his fries because he's had them in several videos.
We're gonna
They're
do some
fantastic
loaded fries.
Oh yeah,
That'll be cool. Oh yeah, look at that.
where did
To get a good fry these days, you gotta do it yourself, right? Your fast food drive-ups, they can't make fries anymore. They're restricted by certain laws, right? Can't use beef tallow.
dump them in the water?
Wow. So the idea is to soak the taters first, some water.
Hold the starch out of them.
Yep. Get the starch out, and you'll get a better fry. Oh yeah.
Can't wait to have these.
We're gonna be eating good tonight, Martha. Just know those are gonna be good, man. I'm starving. Yeah.
Oh, I think these are almost done.
Yep.
Could smell them. Oh, we had smell-o-vision.
Fries up.
Oh, and there they are.
Salt them up. Nothing like fresh fries at the pit, man. I'm telling you. Look at this. Excuse me. Pitmaster privilege, man. Oh, man. Crispy on the outside, real soft and tender on the inside.
That's what rice should be.
Oh, man.
Oh, perfect. Perfect.
That's it.
Harvey's
That's a
fries.
meal right there, man.
That's pretty valuable.
That's a valuable penny.
That's a wartime.
Yeah, that's a war tip. That's a
Clam, ooh, clam chowder.
We got some New England
So
style,
New England style chowder.
It's the real, you know, it's got plenty of cream, a ton of clams in there, great seasoning. Just heat it up here on the pit. The grill.
Can't wait.
Yeah. Look at this. Whoa. Oh, Martha. You're gonna love this. She loves that New England style chowder. All that cream. Loaded with clams. Just start out with some homemade fries. Now this is considered small, right? But we'll start with the small serving
Nothing
first.
Harvey does is small.
Yep. Now, here we go. Now,
Got the clam chowder.
here comes the chowder. You gotta say chowder. Oh, are you kidding? Look at that. Can you smell that? It smells good. Oh, man, I cannot believe. Yeah. Oh, kind of speechless, huh? Look at that. Look at those bits of clams. I can hear it loaded with clams. You got potatoes and cream in there, the French fries. And you want to make it look real pretty. Put some of that leafy green stuff on there with the sliced onions.
Some parsley.
Got some parsley.
Fresh parsley. Right off of Harvey's farm.
Nice. So, this is the part. I think we're going to take some and run. Man.
All right, start eating.
Check this out. This is serving number 1. Grab a boat.
No, go ahead. There's plenty more for
And watch this.
another tray.
Take your fry, dip it in your chowder. Oh my goodness. This weighs about 2 pounds, man. Yeah.
That clam, the potato.
Excellent.
It's like a seafood boil in there.
Oh man.
Potatoes and chowder. Chowder. Great.
I don't know what we're supposed to do here. I'm just
I don't
I'm gonna
know.
just sit here
Chef
and eat
keeps cooking.
it. Well done, chef. That is a whole meal. This will hold you for hours, man. You know?
That's great. That's great.
Oh my God.
Wow. Look at this. Look at
You
that.
can put hot pepper in it. You want a little hot pepper in it?
Yeah. That gives a little.
Gives a
That
little-
kick it.
Hot pepper?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh yeah. Different level.
Yep. Enhance it a little bit.
Okay, adding some oil.
EVO.
EVU.
Looking all the oil.
Makes for a better fry.
Yep. It'll all come together.
All right.
All right, I add some
Some
Look.
garlic.
minced garlic.
A little minced garlic.
Use plenty.
Oh.
Yeah. Gotta have the garlic with the scampi.
Hot sauce.
Got a little heat.
Louisiana style hot sauce.
Yeah.
You smell that.
Oh, I smell that garlic.
Ground black pepper.
Coarse ground black pepper. Oh man, that pepper really brought it alive. You smell that?
Cool that down. I'll drink that.
A little sea salt.
A little bit of salt. direct from the sea. And of course, how about a squeeze of lemon? Yeah. And the
A true
rind
professional.
of lemon, the zest, that really kicks it up.
Concentrated flavor. Zesty zest.
Man, this is definitely a 5-star restaurant.
Smell that, Bob?
Oh man, it smells good, I'm telling you. This is crazy. Just give me a cup of that, I'm good, man.
That's what I say.
Instead of that late night cup of tea, this would work. Now, looks like Christmas now, right? A little bit of that green leaf, some parsley,
Green onion.
and now, whoa, the shrimp. Look at that, we got a spy plane flying right over us. It never fails, right?
Is that a
We're at the
Vegematic?
pit, and suddenly helicopters, small
I
planes.
think they want something.
Even had a 737 tip his wings one time flying over the pit, but that's all right. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look at that.
Perfect.
I see the Grand Slam, and they don't know what's going on in French fries.
Yeah.
Yep.
Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
Little red pepper flake.
Yeah, you gotta have those.
Yeah, it's a little bit of that background heat. That's what it is.
Okay.
All right.
The magic.
Wait a minute. I thought it was just shrimp scampi. There's fries?
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
Oh yeah. I didn't tell you about that one.
Let's call my doctor right now. I'm gonna beep him. Oh, this is great.
Now this is a small at Harvey's Pit, so we're getting a small order of this shrimp scampi loaded fries. And if you've never done this before, you definitely got to check it out. Come on, man. Oh man, poetry in motion. Look at that. All right, I'm standing in line, man.
Shrimp scampi fries.
Look at this. Oh, are you kidding me? Shrimp scampi loaded fries. And these aren't ordinary fries. Oh, beautiful. Maybe
Oh, get some of that. Got that juice on there.
These aren't your, these aren't your everyday regular.
I'll dig it. There we go.
These aren't your
There you
everyday
go.
regular fries.
All right.
Oh man.
Look at this.
Wow. This beats rice.
Now this has got to be a $20 ticket at any fair, man. Anywhere. Man. Are you kidding me? At least.
Oh, don't mind if I do, sir. Serve it up.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Need
some of that?
Good juice.
That's
Put a little down there. Whoop.
Put a little bit everywhere.
Yeah, hit mine too.
Yours hit? Yeah.
I mean, it's Christmas at the pit, man. Gotta make it look real pretty. Set this down. Let's get the cameraman in here.
No.
Here we go. We're going to be in front of the camera a lot pretty soon, so watch out. All right, the cameraman. We'll get the cameraman in here.
All right.
He's a paid employee, so we want to get him on film.
What do you think, J-Dog?
Fantastic.
Real good.
So, remember this. The next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.
Yeah.
Pit Boys, baby.
You like it, man?
Well done, chef. Perfect.
Wow.
So the next time you're looking for a recipe for your pit, check out BBQPitBoys.com.